Hi Priya. What are we discussing today?
Hi Rahul. Let's talk about joint family and nuclear family.
That's a great topic.
Many people have different opinions about it.
Let's compare both lifestyles.
Sure. Let's begin.
Priya, what is a joint family?
A joint family is where grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and children live together.
So many people under one roof.
Yes, everyone shares responsibilities.
That sounds fun.
It creates a strong family bond.
And what is a nuclear family?
A nuclear family usually includes parents and their children.
So fewer family members live together.
Exactly.
Many city families prefer this setup.
Yes, because it offers more privacy.
What are the advantages of a joint family?
There is always someone to help.
That's true.
Children learn values from grandparents.
Family members support each other during difficult times.
Nobody feels lonely.
What about nuclear families?
They have more independence.
Parents can make decisions quickly.
There are fewer conflicts.
Everyone gets personal space.
Yes, many people appreciate that.
Does a joint family have any disadvantages?
Sometimes too many opinions create disagreements.
I can understand that.
Privacy may also be limited.
Managing a large family can be difficult.
Yes, cooperation is very important.
What problems can nuclear families face?
Sometimes parents have too many responsibilities.
There may be less support from relatives.
Children can feel lonely.
Especially when both parents are working.
Exactly.
Festivals must be exciting in a joint family.
Absolutely. There is more fun and excitement.
Everyone celebrates together.
In a nuclear family, celebrations are smaller but still meaningful.
Both can be enjoyable.
It depends on family preferences.
So which family type is better?
I think both have advantages and disadvantages.
I agree.
A joint family offers support and togetherness.
A nuclear family offers independence and privacy.
The best choice depends on people's needs.
Well said. Today I learned many things about family life.
Me too.
Every family is special in its own way.
Love and respect matter the most.
Whether it is a joint family or a nuclear family.
Happiness comes from understanding and caring for each other.
That's it for now.
See you in another new video. Good boy.